Hello, my name is Jessica Thoy. I will be doing modeling teen numbers with the materials from Abstract Concrete. This is intended for kindergarteners. The next 3 slides are going to focus on vocabulary. This slide is about ones. So ones are technically the last number in the number we are given. It is an individual unit, also referring to the ones place. This slide covers counting on. So when you count on, you start from one of the numbers. So like this question is showing you 4 plus 3. So you would start at 4 and then go 5, 6, 7. And in this one, it is showing you have 5, which we know first rows in these setups are all 5. So they go from 5, 6, 7, 8. So count on means to count in a forward order, starting from a given number. So like I said, the 5 here, we started at, and then we started at the 4 there, and we continued counting from where we were. So, and the vocabulary on this page is tens. So tens are referring to the number right in front of the ones place. So if you count on our counting blocks, you have a total of 10 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the definition is groups of 10 units, also refers to the tens place. In this slide, we are going to be using cubes to show our number. And then we're going to color in the cube to match the number that is at top. So I am going to be using red to represent our 12. So first we're going to put in our 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since we're continuing on with the same number to make 12, I am going to continue to be using red. So the first row is 10, so we're going to count on from 10. 11, 12. So this slide looks a little confusing with the number. It says 10, 7. But since this is for a kindergarten class, it is not asking us for 10 sevens. It is just asking us for a 10 group, one group of 10, and 7 ones. So that's what we're going to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10, and now we're going to draw our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we counted them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we got our 17. So now we are going to be trying 11. So we're going to start with, again, drawing our grouping that will be in the tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, we're going to be changing the color so we can distinguish which, or be clear about which grouping we're with. We already did the tens place, and now we're going to work on the ones place. So we just need an additional 1 to make 11. These are the resources I used to make my pictures and get where I got the lesson plan from. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.